Hello friends and followers. This video is about enabling 10 meter operation on a Dentron Clipperton L amplifier. So I had read that this thing was wired for 10 meters, and indeed, if you look at the coil structure, it looks like there is a setting for 10 meters. However, it's blocked off by a tab. So upon further examination, I found you could move the tab. It's movable if you can access the tab, and that involves taking out the entire band switch. So this whole band switch will come out. It's just a lot of work to get it out. And to get it out, you want to unloosen all the connections to the case and other components. So in that regard, there are these doorknob capacitors, which you want to take out 3 bolts to hold these in. There's this little ground that you want to take it out. You take out the main nut on the front of the band switch, which is pretty much this nut right here. Take it off. It's a 1/2-inch nut. You want to take off the 2 screws that hold the coil on. Those are kind of long. And where are they? Here they are. They have a spacer and a nut, so get those off. The hardest things to get off are, there's a wire that goes to this capacitor way down in here. That's a 3/8 inch wrench to get that off. This is like fixing a car engine, isn't it? So you want to take off that nut down there, which I have laying down there. Get that off. To get this wire off. And then the last one is, there's a nut down here that attaches this coil here, which is the main 10 meter bend coil, or whatever, 15-20 meter bend coil. Once those are all off, let's see if this will come out. So this whole thing should just slide right out. Yep, there it is. So then this will all come out, which is what you want. And once this whole mess is out, you basically want to move this thing over 1 notch. So as you'll see, there's a little keeper thing that's right here. So this little keeper notch, you want to slide it over 1 click to enable the 10 meter component. So to slide that over 1 notch, you're going to want to loosen this thing up and slide it. And since I don't have a decent workbench to do this, let's see if we can pull it off here with no scripting. So we'll take this off here. And then I want to get this off. And just click that from here to here. That's all we're going to do. I'm looking for the tools that could do that. I had a socket laying around here, but I don't see it. Anyway, that's what you want to do. I can't find the damn tools, but I just want to take off this nut and click it over 1 click. Okay, here are the tools on the floor. The trick is now, can I hold the phone? That is not 1/2 inch. That's a 5/8 it looks like, so that's not going to help us. Anyway, yeah, you want to take this off, move it over to here, and then tighten it back up and put it all back together. That will get this thing to click over to a 10 meter position right here. Okay, and there's one more thing to do. I think they have a trap in here. I think there's a little trap. That thing with the toroids I heard was a trap. So I think you just jump this thing out and then you got 10 meters. I think that's a trap for 10. So that's it. Since I had this amplifier apart for other problems, I thought I would dig into the 10 meter conversion also. This amplifier is getting a big zap from somewhere. You can see I got a huge lightning bolt hole in my coil here. I'm not sure why this thing is zapping or what it's hitting. And then I got to thinking, since I can't figure out what it's zapping, maybe it's zapping inside of itself. Maybe it's going from here into the inside of the coil, because there's nothing outside for it to hit. This amp will make a big boom once in a while and turn off. So yeah, there's a design fault in this thing. I wonder now if it's going inside of the coil. Once the tubes are in, they're far away from that coil, so I'm not sure what's going on. Anyway, yeah, this is the 10 meter conversion part, so I'm trying to get the switch to go to 10 meters at least, and I'll do that now. Sorry I can't video it, I need two hands. Thanks for watching, have a great day.